Hey everyone, I'm Mike Palmer, Certified Financial Planner with Ark Royal Wealth Management, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a question I know a lot of people wonder about. What's the catch with free financial plans you hear advertised on the radio or TV? Many of these ads claim that these free plans are worth $1,000 or more. That sounds pretty enticing, right? Well, in this video, we'll break down what might really be going on behind that free offer. Let's be honest, objective and sound financial advice is rarely free. So if you're getting an offer that sounds too good to be true, there's likely something else at work. So how does the advisor make money off of a free financial plan? It's really pretty simple. They're hoping to sell you financial products. Very often, these are high-fee insurance products like fixed index annuities or other products generating high commissions for the advisor. These products have surrender fees that last a long time. Surrender fees are what you pay to get out of the investment if you change your mind. And these fees can be as high as 15% of your investment and often last for 12 to 15 years. Many of the advisors offering these free financial plans like to attract clients by proclaiming that they're fiduciaries. This is a red flag. Be sure to watch our video on how all fiduciary advisors aren't the same. A link to that video is in the show notes below. Now, a big consideration is the scope of a free plan. Usually these are more of a high-level overview rather than an in-depth personalized plan. A free plan might cover basic budgeting or a retirement estimate, but it often skips complexities like tax planning, estate planning, or a customized retirement solution. Another catch, conflicts of interest. Advisors offering free plans may not offer objective advice, but instead skew the plan towards products that help their bottom line more than they help you reach your financial goals. Just because an advisor says they are a fiduciary doesn't mean that advisor isn't selling commission products that are in their best interest and not yours. Unfortunately, we see a lot of this. And we've had people come to us after it's too late and they're locked into a product that is very expensive to get out of. Let's talk about follow-up. With a free plan, it's often one and done. You'll get your initial plan, but don't expect regular check-ins or updates as your life and finances evolve. In contrast, at Ark Royal, we typically meet with our clients twice a year. And our reviews cover far more than just investment performance. We do cash flow planning, tax planning, and we also update you towards progress towards specific goals. And then there's the quality of the advice. Advisors offering free plans may have hundreds of clients in addition to the free planning they do to attract more clients. This can mean they don't have time to dig deeply into every person's situation. From what we've seen and heard, this usually means a lack of responsiveness and infrequent meetings to review your progress. Here's a pro tip. If the free plan feels more like a sales pitch than real advice, it may be worth consulting a fee-only financial planner like Ark Royal Wealth Management. We give unbiased advice, and we won't be trying to sell you a specific product along the way because we're never compensated from a commission product. So there you have it. Free financial plans may sound great, but they usually have strings attached. If you're considering a free financial plan, follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1, get copies of all presentation materials for you to take home and review before signing anything. Number 2, insist that the advisor sign a fiduciary oath. We have a link to one in the show notes below. And finally, have the advisor put in writing what the fees are and any fees you'll pay to exit the investment if you change your mind in a year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And be sure to watch our video that explains why all fiduciary advisors aren't the same. As always, drop any questions you have in the comments below. See you next time. If you'd like to learn more about the benefits of working with a truly independent and objective fee-only financial advisor, we welcome the opportunity to talk with you.